Hey you guys, it is me, Laura, and I am here with Scraps of Encouragement today to show you a very simple card that you can make with very few supplies. And all you're going to need is a 4 1/4 by 5.5 inch card base. I am using the Lift Me Up stamp set today. I keep saying I'm done with the stamp set, and I keep not being done with the stamp set. There's so much you can do with it. I'm using 2 colors of ink. Today I have Poppy Parade and Balmy Blue, and I have a 1 inch thick piece of scrap paper and just any kind of adhesive that you can kind of make so that it's a low tack adhesive. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by taking this adhesive and I'm going to put it here on the back, and I'm kind of running my hands over it a lot because I want it to stick to my paper, but I want it to come off when I'm done without messing it up. So what I'm going to do is I am going to run this strip down the middle, and the strip that I have today is a little bit thicker. If you have the paper itself is thicker, it's the card base material that I have, that was the scrap that I had today. If you have a thinner piece of paper, this will actually work better because you're not going to be left with a gap. But what you're going to do is you're going to take your Balmy Blue or whatever blue you have and ink up this little cloud, and you are just going to stamp this guy all over your card. Have fun with it, fill in the space, try not to make anything too uniform, but just have fun making your little sky. Now this card is perfect for Valentine's Day, so that's why I thought we would make it here. It's a great Valentine's card. You could also make this on a 3x3 card with the same basic idea. You could make it basically any card size you want, whatever would be perfect for you for Valentine's Day. Now here comes the magic. Watch what happens when I take this off. Ta-da! So there we go. We have our nice little line, and that's where we're going to put our sentiment. So I am going to close up the Balmy Blue, pull out my Poppy Parade, and I chose the sentiment from this set that says love is in the air. So I'm going to take that and ink it up with my Poppy Parade and make sure that I do not put it upside down. Now is the hardest part for me, which is lining it up. So I'm going to do my very best to line my block up with the lines that were kind of made where the clouds didn't stamp over, and we'll see how I did. Not too bad. And then I'm going to take this little heart guy, see this guy right here, that is in the set. I'm going to ink it up, stamp it once there, and once over here, and that is it. That is my simple card. Super adorable, super great for Valentine's Day, and loads of fun to make really quick. So I hope you follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. I share lots of tips and ideas across all those platforms. I'm most active on my Facebook page, so definitely make sure that you are following me there. And I hope that you can find joy in creating as you spread kindness and encouragement with scraps of paper. I hope you guys have a great day. I'll talk to you later. Bye.